Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to Verified So. In this video, let me answer this very important question by one of you. Can a person with high case number receive their second notification letters before a person with low case number? First of all, I know by now you know that KCC does process cases in the orderly manner, in the case order format. That means from the low case numbers up to the highest case numbers. And if you have not, you can scroll back to the past videos that I've done and you will get to understand this. But having understood this, still people get confused because in some instances, people with higher case numbers have received their second notification letters before those with lower case numbers. And this kind of confuses. But I will explain this. First of all, yes, people with higher case numbers may sometimes get their second notification letters before those with lower case numbers. And why is it so? I want to explain this in two scenarios. The first scenario is a person with a high case number in a country whose embassy is fast can receive his or her second notification letter before a person with low case number who is in a country where the embassy is working slowly. In the recent past, especially for DV 2022, we've seen that there are many embassies that were performing poorly, where there are also many embassies that were performing well. Therefore, those people in those embassies that were performing well, they received their notification letters, even if they had higher case numbers. At the same time, other embassies, they were performing very slowly. And up to now, people with very low case numbers in some embassies or in some countries have not yet received their second notification letters. And time has really died out. And that is one reason as to why higher case numbers sometimes receive their second notification letters before those with lower case numbers. So it all depends with the performance of the embassy that you are attached to. The second instance is you might be in the same embassy, but a person with higher case number than yours receives his or her second notification letters before you receive, even if you have a low case number. Why does it happen so? In this case, it now depends upon the complexity of processing your DS260. What do I mean? I mean, you might find some DS260 are fast and quickly processed because the information in there is direct and simple and straightforward. While in others, the DS260s may be complex in processing, meaning the information in the DS260 may require further background checks, and that means it might take longer. So if you have a slightly high case number and your DS260 is simpler and can be processed faster, you can receive your second notification letter before that person with slightly lower case number than yours but whose DS260 requires extensive background checks. An example of DS260 that would require further background checks is when you present in your travel history that you had recently visited a country that is highly prone or highly affected with terrorism. Definitely, KCC will have to conduct some further background check to ensure the safety of the United States. those are some of the reasons as to why a person with high case number may receive his or her second notification letter before you with a lower case number. And I hope I have answered it clearly. Please consider supporting me by liking the video and also subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. And let's meet in the next video.